If you have Samsung Galaxy A36 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock in this, then this is the video for you. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Select lock screen and select fingerprints. Now firstly you have to set your screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part. Otherwise select pin, password or pattern. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now it will ask you how you wanna show notification on your lock screen. Here I'm selecting hide contact and then select done. Click on continue and then click on continue. Now click on register and then place your finger on the sensor like this and then keep on tapping until it completely captures your finger. After this, click on done, and now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint.